lots of traffic. So, but that is a quick overview on the maglev, and this is a little bit more about how it actually operates. So the coils run along the track and repel the large magnets on the train's undercarriage, allowing it to levitate. So it's in the air, and once the power is supplied within the walls to create the unique system of magnetic fields that push and pull it along what they call the guideway. All right, so it's basically the track. The electric current supplied to the coils is constantly alternating to change the polarity of the magnetized coils. This change in polarity causes the magnetic field in front of the train to pull the vehicle forward, while the magnetic field behind the train aids more forward thrust. So, I don't know. I might have to go to Germany and check it out. We'll just have to see. Maybe they'll put one in Knoxville or something. Alright. So, the next field that we are going to look at is electricity. Electricity is stored in many different ways, including solar, wind, and hydraulic. Everybody knows this. You got your windmills, you got your solar panels, you got your dams. This is how we get the energy, and what we do with the energy is we can actually store them in batteries. Okay, and with those batteries, we can power cars. So this is our second mode of transportation, the electric car, along with the maglev. And I want an electric car. I think they're pretty cool things. But yeah, basically, electric car. It's not a new concept. It's really become relevant with numerous groups of people who are all concerned with the future of energy and the world as a whole. And that is myself. Electric cars get their power from rechargeable batteries. And these batteries are not only used to propel the vehicle, but they're also used in the operation of normal functions like the lights, wipers, and the radio. Stuff like that, just normal things. They don't have a gas tank, of course, and, any exhaust, any of that. But besides that, they're a little smaller than most cars, but they look pretty normal. But the three main components of your electric car are your electric motor, your controller, and your battery. So it's not really a complicated process, but the controller takes the power from the battery and passes it onto the electric motor. Before passing the current to the motor, the controller converts it from the 300 volt DC into a maximum of 240 volts AC. Okay, so that's like what's suitable for real motors. And then the electric motor converts the the electricity energy into mechanical energy. So basically, makes the car move. Here's a quick little look at it in the process. All right. So, to sum it all up, the world of transportation is constantly changing, and as a society, we're all constantly evolving. But now, with fossil fuels quickly depleting and our Mother Earth is slowly dying from the use of these fuels, we look to new sources of energy to power us through the next 2 centuries. By developing new ways of creating and storing energy, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectricity, we can power our automobiles using the Earth as our source without killing it and its atmosphere. And maglev trains are a great new way of transportation using magnetism. And that concludes the PowerPoint. Have all the references here. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I learned a lot. Thanks.